We are in San Francisco this time, and we are about to host our masterclass. We are almost set up. It's going to be so much fun. Everything the students need. It's going to be our biggest class, actually.
This really looks like Christmas right now.
You guys did so good. I'm so proud of you. They did an amazing job for first day. It was a long day, but they all were really happy at the end of the class. Hello you guys, welcome to another vlog. We are in San Francisco this time, and we are about to host our masterclass, our hands-on makeup masterclass. I cannot believe that we have this much luggage with us this time. It's every time we travel we pack more and more things, not only marketing wise but also because we have more students this time, so we have to bring more makeup with us. So we are waiting for our Uber, and then we're gonna go check into the hotel, and I'll check in with you guys later. We are on the way to the conference room because we are about to start with our first kind of like a day zero masterclass, right? It's a day before the 3-day class. We decided to host a little masterclass for those who didn't want to come to the 3-day class or just couldn't make it one of the days. We're kind of hosting a little preview today. So it's going to be just 4 till 8. And first we got to go grab some coffee, and we're going to be heading to the conference room. We are almost set up. I love this cute setup here. San Francisco. It's going to be so much fun teaching a class here. This is our biggest class so far. Christine is still finishing our setup. The makeup kits are already packed with products, tools, everything that students need for working on their models. That's where we're going to be our little demo station. And yeah, cannot wait to show you the class. So Christine just started doing the demo on a model. We actually have also our students in our online program joining us on Zoom right now, watching the full demo, which is so exciting. I love this, that we can do this for students and show a full demo of how we do makeup. And let me show you, come with me, so we can see how the students are doing right now.
And then a lot of times the common thing is people will just pick up the product and then go straight in, okay? You don't want to do that. Fine, that's where you want to start working with the color. So tapping off any excess.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Day 1 technically. We just woke up. The view is so pretty here. I'm just doing my makeup right now. Christine is ready. I'm finishing up. Put you right here for a second. I don't have my tripod. It's in the conference room here. And we are starting with our class. The girls should be here soon. It's 8:30. We're going to go and grab a quick coffee. This freaking phone. We're going to go grab a quick coffee, and then we're going to be on the way to the conference room. This is my outfit for the day. Cute little dress, my boots. I wish I wore my sneakers, but it's okay. I don't think sneakers would go on this dress. Try to be comfy and cute at the same time. Did my makeup super quick this morning. I think it took me like 10 minutes. And yeah, on the way to teach a class. Super excited to meet our students today. Today we have 10 new students starting their class with us here in San Francisco. It's going to be our biggest class actually. There's Christine, looking like a stewardess. Cute stewardess, sexy stewardess.
I'm just going to catch a flight. Really looks like Christmas right now. Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to come in and give you guys a quick sneak peek. I hope you can hear me. I'm just whispering because Nikolina is right now going through makeup kits, sanitation, and color theory. I just wanted to give you guys a quick little look on what day one looks like. Come on in. Right here, you would just separate that line right there. Our students are working. We are doing a soft glam look today, and they're doing such a great job. I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna show you Nikolina is working with the students. She's giving them feedback, assisting them, helping them with any questions that they might have.
I would just add a little bit more gold here. Whatever the gold you use, you need a little bit more on this side. Oh, you guys did so good. I'm so proud of you. She looks gorgeous.
Yes. Wow, you guys.
Always remember the top, like corner where the eye is, like the lash line is. Start there. So we just ate. Of course, we ate some Indian food. Every city we go, it's like a tradition. We gotta find an Indian restaurant, and we have a bunch of leftovers for tomorrow as well. We over-ordered. We went for a little walk. This was the first time actually getting out of the hotel a little bit because we wanted to just walk off the food, explore the city. It's actually nice weather, not that cold, comparing to New Jersey, our last class. It's downtown, so it's very loud in here. Hope you can hear me. But today was a long day, 9-hour class from 9 till 6 p.m. and honestly went amazing. The girls did such a good job. I'm going to show you how it went. The girls did great. Models were beautiful. They did an amazing job for first day. It was a long day, but they all were really happy at the end of the class. And I'm very grateful for our coordinators at the hotel. They did an amazing job also with providing everything we needed, accommodating us, all the little requests we had. Honestly, everything is going so well so far. So I hope it keeps going that way as well. We're gonna go walk a little bit more, explore the city. It's actually really cute here, again, downtown. And then we're gonna go back to the room and probably knock out. I'm pretty tired to get ready for tomorrow's class. Start with good morning. Why does it always have to be like a song?
Good morning.
Good morning, you guys. We are ready. Very, very casual today. I'm going in my sneakers because yesterday my feet were killing me. I had to actually take a Tylenol. Granted, we also walked 45 minutes after the class, but still. And yeah, we're keeping it kind of casual today. The day is looking nice, even though it seems like it's gonna be raining. I love the view we have from our room. I actually love this hotel. The positioning of this hotel is perfect. So yeah, we're gonna go grab some coffee. Probably not gonna eat much because I ate so much yesterday from this Indian food and I feel so full still. So
I eat because I always eat.
She needs to eat. But yeah, I'm gonna grab some snacks. We got some snacks from Whole Foods, and then that's gonna be my kind of snack / lunch later after I'm done with teaching a demo. See you guys later. Anita with Manifesting Money podcast, and we met in San Francisco. It's been a while, and I'm so excited to see you. We ate some really good food. There's no proof to show it, but there is a proof to show it that we ate it all. Hey, babe. Hi, we're so tired. It's been a long day. Came to a cute little restaurant, and it's been a very long day, but honestly, a very good day. It's dark outside. We're gonna go walk a little bit and then go back to the hotel and then sleep. Love you. Our last day. We just packed, almost finished packing actually. Ready for the last day, certification day, and also last day of training with the students. We're gonna start a little bit earlier today because we have flight right after we finish. So we have our flight at 6 p.m. and we're gonna be going back to Vegas. Excited to see Ivan and see the baby. And the day is beautiful today. It's actually not as cloudy as it was yesterday. I think that's pretty much it. This room was really cute. This hotel was really cute. But the team here that works, the sales team, the coordinators, the event coordinators, they were above and beyond. I haven't seen this yet. The way they accommodated us, and the way, like, we had millions and one requests and they all accommodated us. I'm literally shocked, honestly, comparing to other locations. You as a person, you need to have your name first and last name, or just first name, as your personal brand. I think that will be the best way for you to start. You don't have to overcomplicate it with names, business names. Of course, a business name is important, but personal brand to start with as a makeup artist, start with your own name. Okay, people will remember you for who you are and want to work with you because of you. Maybe there is a person that you like, a makeup artist, hairstylist, whoever. Think about them, and maybe they're big on social media, maybe they have hundreds of followers, thousands of followers, or whatever it is. Think about them and think about why do you follow them.
How are you feeling today?
More confident today.
Yay!
Yes. I feel confident.
Yeah.
I think now I'm gonna be able to start my business, hopefully.
Yay!
Yeah.
You feeling
Amazing. This has been the best 4 days of my life.
I feel more confident. You guys have taught me so much. Like literally the little things matter. The little things matter.
I feel very confident in what I'm learning here. I feel really, honestly, I feel so good about this.
Very good. Yay! Great job. We are all done with our San Francisco training. This was incredible. Cannot wait to be back. We're super tired. We packed all the makeup, full academy back on this little trolley, and we're going home. Our Uber just got here. He's the Uber driver. We gotta go pack that and hopefully arrive for our flight. It's an hour and a half. See you guys later.